Hey folks, welcome to our first lecture week. First lecture week, so week two. So what are we going to talk about this week? What does this week look like? Okay, so I've laid it out in the orientation module, right? What every week looks like this page with this video on it, talking about the objectives we're going to talk about this week, a preview of what you need to read, and then you'll go on to the textbook reading. Remember, I'm not using one textbook for this class. I'm using a series of resources from the Fairchild Fashion Library, which is a database housed in the library. So you do not need to buy a book for this course because I'm going to provide everything you need. So you're going to watch this video, get a preview of the reading underneath here, and then when you go to the next page, it'll take you a link to the reading and how to get to the textbook material. Okay, there's a video there that shows you how to do that. Read the textbook material I provided, then move on to the lecture piece. Okay, so this week we're just going to lay our groundwork of what the design process is and how do we find inspiration. So that's what we're going to be talking about for this week. So how do you find inspiration? And some of you, you know, well, I'm not gonna say we'll have an easier time of it, but we'll have an easier time of it, right? Of understanding where you find inspiration. So I have a video that I created in the lecture that's just about design, the design process, and some principles of design. And we're really going to be talking about the principles every module going forward will address a principle, and then we'll get to the elements of design as well. Okay, so again, you're going to see a couple videos in here that I made. A couple are some third party folks, and you're going to see you're going to get a really good view of two of the designers that I love. I'm not even going to give you a preview of it. You'll see it in here. But one of them, actually more than one, a couple of them you should be familiar with. As well. Okay, so dive in. Next page. Go ahead and read the material that I'm providing for you via the Fairchild Fashion Library, so via the database. Dive into the lecture. Complete your discussion board. Discussion board, remember you have to have your initial post done by Tuesday, right? And then you need to respond to 3 of your classmates by Friday. So initial post Tuesday, 3 of your classmates by Friday. Work on that discussion board and then come back and look at the recap for the module, okay? All right, that's it. I will see you on the other side.